Welcome to Bartın, Amasra. It's a beautiful small town in the Black Sea coast near my hometown Kastamonu. We wanted to stop by before we return back Istanbul. Let's begin. It's been about an hour since we left Kastamonu, heading to Bartın and Amasra. After Safranbolu, now it's like this, but we are not used to go like in one lane. It's beautiful, but you have to be careful. We have 40 kilometers to Bartın. This road is famous with its trees that covers the road. That's why we wanted to take a look. We have beautiful fall season. It says 50 kilometers per hour, but they are very fast. I don't know. Canım. And we have another friend. Anladın mı sen? Vereceğim ama sakin ol, tamam. Oh, oh bitti gitti. Hadi. The beautiful road covered with trees like a tunnel continues for about 5 kilometers. We quickly passed by the city center of Bartın. We decided to go to first Amasra. If we have time left, we will come back again when we return. Here we are. We had nice parking lot, belongs to municipality.
Hani ikimizin de var ya senin pembeli siyahlı.
Beautiful Black Sea. Since it's September, it is very calm. It must be much more crowded during summer. It looks beautiful, but probably the Black Sea becomes cold faster compared to the Mediterranean Sea, so it must be cold. Normal pide.
Derseniz müşterim sonra iade şansınız da var. Ali Nazik ve işkembe çorbası hariç hepsini garanti veriyoruz.
It's Tuesday and we have the local market.
Neyse ses var. Bak konular peki. Kırı inciri çok tatlı bu. Al yani. Ve yeşil incir. Şimdi tuzlu sistem oluyor. Tuzluysa
Pardon. Mayayla yapıyoruz arkadaşım. Kilosu 200 lira bunun.
They have nice tarhana. It smells beautiful. The farmers market, the ladies market were nice. They have interesting things, but it didn't give me a very local feeling. Rather, they produce some things like the jams for the tourists, and the prices are also much more high than I expected. Güzel. What a beautiful view, and look at the house.
Çok güzel. You don't know?
We haven't seen it. This is probably inside the castle, the remains. Amasra fortress was built by the Romans first, restored by the Byzantines, Genoese and Ottomans. Okay, let's continue. Are you enjoying the Amasra?
It's the first time in Amasra, it's the
Yes.
second day. So we stay in a very nice hotel. What is strange about this place is if you take one road, you go on one shore, and you take another road, another shore.
Yes,
and you
yes.
don't imagine there's two beaches there.
That's right.
We're already impressed by the calm atmosphere here during this month. It's super nice to visit.
I can't imagine how it is like in August because it's very like popular place.
Exactly.
How about Turkish cuisine? Did you like?
We love it.
Yeah.
And especially the breakfast.
For the first time tasted grilled olives.
Yes, yes.
I love that. I've
Yeah.
never seen that before. All these kind of olive, all these kind of breads, jams, and everything is at the table for the breakfast. Could be salty, could be sweet, very good.
And egg dishes, we have lots
Yes.
of. You tried menemen, maybe?
A mix of eggs and
Yes,
tomato.
Yes,
I
yes.
love that.
Yeah,
Yes.
very simple, like hearty dish.
We
Yeah,
love your
enjoy.
country.
Yeah, I'm glad to hear that. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So another dish I never had before is pasta with nuts crushed on it and a bit of salt and
okay.
pepper. It was very simple, but I like the taste.
Like a buttery sauce, probably.
Exactly.
Yeah, handmade pasta, which we
Exactly.
call erişte,
Okay.
and a butter sauce and walnuts on top.
Exactly.
Yeah, I tasted when I come here to Kastamonu in Bolu City, but I don't have the recipe. I'm planning to make that too.
I was amazed that I looked at the pasta
Yes.
and it could not be pasta that was made by industry because everything was different shapes
Yes,
and everything
exactly.
square. It's like
Exactly.
flat and cut like
Yeah,
that, and I
exactly.
find it interesting. Another kofte, but there are good kofte and not good kofte.
Yeah, that's right.
Some very soft gooey and some maybe too hard. I like the gooey one.
Like a chewy, you mean like
Yes, more chewy.
Yes. When you add to the meat
Exactly.
mixture baking soda, it makes chewy actually. There are some hints that makes it different.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can use baking soda in your
Yeah.
food. It is like Romanian. That you mitch, it's a kind of sausage. In Europe,
Yeah.
you're not from Europe, the only country that can use baking soda to make these sausages are the Romanian because it's traditional. But all the other countries cannot. They have an exception in Europe. So they probably have the same mix with you.
That's right. Yeah, it's like more chewy than
Yes,
the
it's
other
much
side.
more
Exactly,
chewy.
That's
exactly.
interesting. Yeah.
Can you remind me the name, you know, and
You mean the börek?
Correct.
yes.
Yeah.
That's-
Well, I have many börek recipes on the channel from scratch either or with the filo sheets. You can
Oh,
make it.
and so
Thank
you
you.
show that on your YouTube channel?
Sure, sure.
Wow,
Yeah.
that is cool. We can talk food long
Yeah,
time.
that's right. Yeah.
I can say something. The food is çok güzel.
Yes, that's good.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye. So we came up from there and I see fish restaurants over there. Continue that side. It's a very small town. You can finish it in couple of hours.
Tavuk haşlama, İzmir köfte, kuru fasulye.
Biliyorum ya. Var işte. sun is setting. We're gonna have tea and whatever we have in the car. I didn't want to eat outside this time. And then we're gonna head back to Istanbul. So my friends, we are returning back to Istanbul right now. It's a beautiful small town. The view is really amazing. The Black Sea, the geographical shape of the town is beautiful. It has a lot history back from Roman Empire. That's another thing makes it even rich. In my opinion, in our opinion, we also thought it became over the years probably very touristic place. The shops and restaurants also gives that feeling. It's not like a local but touristic. So I didn't want to eat. I cannot say that much since I didn't try. Visiting the Amasra Museum was also one of the tops, I think, to get an opinion of its history, coming way back from the Roman Empire, Genoese and Ottomans. To one-time visit for 1 or 2 days to get the feeling would be enough, I think. But it's really the view and the history is amazing, and to coming here also the road was also beautiful.